Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a LG Smart TV remote here, and you have an issue where you go ahead and touch something and it's delayed or hesitant. Maybe you're trying to, click on the Netflix app here, but it takes like, 2, 3, 4 seconds for it to finally pop on the TV. Or maybe you're trying to navigate somewhere. You're trying to go right on Netflix, and for it to turn right to go to the next movie or whatnot, it takes like 2 or 3 seconds. Or maybe you're going to you're trying to input like a password or do something on a search, and you're trying to find like the letters up here, and you go to like letter G, then you press on enter, and it takes like 2, 3, 4 seconds. It should be pretty much almost instantaneous. Okay, so if you have any kind of delays or any delays or hesitation like that, what I want you to do is this. Okay, so first thing is go ahead and take out your battery. So let's go ahead and pop this out. Take out your batteries. And then once the battery is out, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to press and hold this power button. Press and hold it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, now I want you to do is click every single button on here, even the power button again, multiple times, okay? Every single button here, I want you to click and keep on doing just like this. And what basically happens is if you have any kind of like dirt or debris or even hand lotion, or maybe you dropped coffee or Kool-Aid, even if you drop water on here and it affects like one button here, one button acts funny, it can make the whole entire remote act crazy, okay? So keep on pressing every single button on here multiple times. Press it kind of hard all over, even the power button. Get all in there. Give it a nice whack. Now go ahead and put the batteries back in, and then see if your remote is very responsive, okay? If it's still like kind of like unresponsive, if it's like delayed or whatnot, do the same thing. Repeat the steps again. Go ahead and turn it over, take out the batteries, and then press and hold the power button. Press and hold it for about 30 seconds, then let go, and then again, press every single button on here. All the way down. Keep pressing kind of hard. Give it a couple whacks here. Anything that might be loose, it could be just like one button here that's causing an issue with everything. Put the batteries back in. See if your your TV remote is up and running. If it's not, try this like 2 or 3 more times. Okay, the same entire method. Anyways, I'm gonna say at least 50% of you guys will be up and running now. You'll notice that your remote is pretty responsive. As soon as you click on something, it moves. It doesn't take like 2, 3, 4 seconds, okay? Anyways, let me know if this helped you guys out.